Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of omega-3 fish oil and its impact on your body when taken daily for 30 days. This popular supplement, derived from fatty fish like herring, tuna, mackerel, and cod, is celebrated for its myriad health benefits and cost-effectiveness. From cardiovascular health to mental well-being, omega-3 fish oil is a powerhouse of nutrients. Stick around as we explore what happens to your body from regular consumption of this essential supplement. Let's get started on this enlightening journey. What is omega-3 fish oil? Omega-3 fish oil is extracted from the liver and muscle tissue of fatty fish, providing a rich source of nutrients including stearic and oleic acids, iodine, phosphorus, sulfur, and essential vitamins and minerals. The magic of fish oil lies in its high concentrations of omega-3 and omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining good health. These fats are instrumental in speeding up the repair of cell membranes, clearing free radicals, boosting immunity, and managing lipid levels in the body, which positively impacts cardiovascular function. The presence of vitamins A, E, and D alongside minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc, and sodium adds to its impressive nutritional profile. Moreover, fermented cod liver oil includes vitamin K2, enhancing cardiovascular, bone, and skin health while reducing cancer risks. The health benefits of omega-3 fish oil. Cardiovascular health. Regular intake of fish oil is linked with reduced risks of heart diseases. Studies indicate that individuals who consume fish oil regularly have lower rates of cardiovascular problems, making it a vital supplement for heart health. Weight management. The fatty acids in fish oil, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, are effective in aiding fat-burning processes. It's important to note, however, that fish oil is high in calories, with 100 grams providing 902 kilocalories, so dosage should be considered in dietary planning. Skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids promote collagen production, which is essential for maintaining youthful and vibrant skin. This makes fish oil a beneficial supplement for those looking to enhance their appearance and boost confidence. Vision support. Fish oil has been shown to help in preventing eye diseases and reducing the risk of macular degeneration, thanks to its omega-3 content. Although it's not a substitute for medications, it supports overall eye health. Cognitive benefits. Enhancing brain function is another key benefit of fish oil. It has been associated with improved memory, quicker decision-making, and higher intelligence scores in children when consumed regularly by pregnant women. Immunity boosting. The unsaturated fatty acids in fish oil stimulate the production of prostaglandins, which enhance the body's defense mechanisms against infections, making it particularly useful during the cold and flu season. Cancer prevention. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, thereby playing a crucial role in preventing breast, colon, and prostate cancer. Managing ADHD symptoms. While not a cure, fish oil can help alleviate the severity of ADHD symptoms thanks to its rich fatty acid content. Assisting children with dyslexia, low concentration, emotional instability, and coordination issues. As we've seen, incorporating omega-3 fish oil into your daily regimen offers a multitude of health benefits, from enhancing heart and skin health to boosting cognitive function and preventing serious illnesses. After just 30 days of consistent use, the changes to your body can be significant and wide-ranging. Remember, while supplements can greatly benefit your health, they should complement a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos on how to build and maintain your anatomy, because it's the only option.